Today, I will be showing you how to make insane supersaws very easily in Logic Pro. Although, you can do this in any DAW, so let's get into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mute all the aspects of SuperSaw so I can just redo it in front of you. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the actual saw waves, because there are multiple aspects of this, and the most important is obviously the saw waves. And so first I'm going to create a new track and open up Vital. Vital is a free synth, which is crazy to believe because it's actually insane. And so if you want to get Vital, I'll leave a link in the description for you to get it, because it is way beyond the expectations for the price. Alright, so first what you're going to do is turn the unison up to 16 voices, and then lower the detune to around 10 to 15%. I like 12 personally. And then go into the effects and choose chorus, and then turn it down to around 15-20%. I like 15. And this is going to give you a sound like this. Perfect, but we're not done yet with this. The second thing you're going to do is pull up an EQ and take down the lows and adjust the higher frequencies a little bit. Just like that. And then you can pull up an OTT, which is a multi-band compressor. Turn the depth down to around 80%. Bring the mids up a lot. Turn the lows down. Bring the highs up just a little bit, and you'll sound something like this. Perfect. And then what I like to do is I like to copy this track, duplicate it, and then move it down an octave like this, then you get even more full of a sound. Perfect. The next thing you want to do is to make a bass. And so what I like to do is I like to go into Omnisphere and, well, not Quick Sampler, I mean Omnisphere, and type in Growler Moog bass. This is like my favorite bass in Omnisphere, and I know it's a lot of other people's favorites. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all the bottom notes of the synth and then paste them into the bass track. Just like that. And now what we're going to get is something like this. And that's already starting to sound really good. But sometimes you're going to want even more full of a sound. And so the last thing that I like to do to fill up that last bit of empty space for the synths is just add a couple warm pads and then put them in the background, like these ones here. And what these do is they just fill in like the mids a little bit and stuff, and just fill in that last tiny bit of empty space that needs to be filled. And where these are from Omnisphere, but you can get another free alternative called Vital, and then download a couple free preset packs that you can easily find on YouTube. But if you're curious, these are the sounds that I used. Same thing for this one, and then perfect. And that's literally it for the tutorial. It's really not that long or confusing. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got something out of it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.